Lessons I learned from my millionaire mentors. So I've had the privilege to be a mentee to very successful businessmen, a few of them, and I realized that 5 things that cut across all of them that I want to share with you quickly. The first one is that they work out. All of them, it's as if they are scared to die. They work out sometimes every day, sometimes twice a week. Okay, sometimes they have a routine workout activity. They go to the gym, they have a physical activity, and I've been curious, why do they do this? So workout has a lot of privileges and advantages that it gives them. It gives them an edge. They have a higher energy as they go through their day. They are stronger, they stay fit, they live longer, they don't have health issues. These people, their health is their wealth, okay? Everybody else's health is their wealth, but they live in that full awareness of what they are doing, and they are very deliberate about it, okay? So you need to look at that. They don't eat anything. They wouldn't eat oil. They will not eat this genetically modified foods. They don't take risks with chemicals and the likes. And you realize that they don't even eat too much, and they have an eating habit. They eat breakfast, they eat lunch, they eat dinner. They don't skip meals. They are very deliberate about what they eat. Sugar. They are deliberate about all those stuff. So you see that their eating pattern is very, very healthy. You see, and it's a deliberate thing they do. So you want to look at that as well, because if the rich are spending less on food, eating healthy, not getting sick, and we have to spend all our money on our health, then we are losing out really big. The next one is that they stay out of trouble. They stay out of trouble. They are very deliberate about it. If they know that something is troublesome, they don't do it. If they know that something is trouble, they are deliberate about it, okay? Stay out of trouble. It's that easy. I was told recently that creative minds and business minds, you have to be very, very protective of your time and energy, so that things don't seize and steal your time and energy. It's not in your interest. So you have to be deliberate at that when you are doing business. Rich people, when you are working with them and the like, stay out of trouble. But they are deliberate about everything: what call to pick, who to call, what to do, where to be, who to talk to, who to hire, what business to invest in. You might think you are convincing them, but they take their own time to listen through things, buy time to think through, they seek advice, and anything they do, they are fully responsible for it. If it backfires, they tell us that I did this and it doesn't work. Okay, it's a thing that they don't mess out with. You should look at that and learn that. Decide what you want and go in for it. Okay, and the last one is that fear women. I didn't have to say this, but yeah, I've seen them do that. They shy away from every appearance of evil. Okay, you have to be deliberate about that. To just stay in your lane, do your thing, walk away, and it works for them pretty well. It works on the so far so good. We thought we would become rich and enjoy all the luxuries of the earth. I realized that these people are deliberate about it. Just lay low, stay low profile, avoid every appearance of evil, and hit their work and move on. Think about it.